friends! Exciting news for home buyers and sellers. The market is heating up. The latest data is showing signs of strength and opportunity for everyone. So now's the time to strike and make your move in real estate. Hi, I'm Cheryl Folks with Superior Town and Country Group at eXp Realty, and I'm here to break down all of that for you in a way that's easy, fun, and inspiring. Okay, for sellers, it's your time to shine. New home listings are up 7.6% nationally, the largest year-over-year increase since last summer. Why? Sellers are seeing incredible opportunities and taking full advantage of them. Home prices are holding strong, with the national median sales price up 6% from this time last year, a biggest jump since October of 2022. Consumer confidence is booming too, hitting a 16-month high after the 2024 election. More people are feeling secure about making big financial moves like listing their homes. And let's not forget about those eager buyers. They're done sitting on the fence and are ready to take action. Home buying demand is climbing, making this the perfect time for sellers to shine. If you're a seller wondering if now's the right time to list, this is your sign. Let's do it. And buyers, opportunity is knocking. The good news doesn't stop with sellers. Buyers, it's your time too. Mortgage applications are up 18% month over month, and pending home sales are climbing. More buyers are adapting to the new normal of the mortgage rates and realizing that it's time to buy now. Whether you're looking to find your dream home or secure that perfect investment property, this winter is busier than usual. Buyers are motivated, sellers are confident, and the market is buzzing with lots of opportunities. Waiting could cost you, whether it's missing out on the perfect buyer for your home or watching your dream property increase in price. Let's make your next move. No matter where you are in your real estate journey, my team and I are here to help. Let's strategize together and make sure you're in the strongest position to succeed. Whether you're buying or selling, let's turn this market energy into your next big win. Give us a call. We can't wait to hear from you.